Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Alif Hafizi bin Abdul Halim. Today, my friends and I are going to present about two topics, which is managing personal finances planning, financial statement, and insurance planning. First, I am going to the background of managing personal financial statement. It is an important part of financial planning. When managing personal finances, having a clear objective and knowledge about one's finances is an essential part of creating a workable plan that is right for us. Financial management involves creating a budget, choosing a bank, paying taxes, managing debt, investing, retirement planning, and estate planning. Determining one's net worth is one of the ways to check up our personal financial statement, which in good condition or otherwise. A personal financial statement is a spreadsheet that details the asset and liabilities of an individual, couple, or business at a specific point in the time. Typically, the spreadsheet consists of two columns with assets listed on the left and liabilities on the right. Next, we are going to the purpose of the personal financial statement. It is a general method in accounting that can be used to analyze our current financial status. With the statement, we can enable to track net worth and set our financial goals. These statements are often reviewed by lenders when a client applies for a credit or loan, including a mortgage. With a good financial statement, more easier we are going to settle our any business with the bankers. Thank you. Now I will pass to my friends.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ikram. Now I will continue to the importance of managing personal financial statement. The first one is income management. Creating a budget can help to prioritize spending as well as identify unnecessary expenditures. The second one is preparing for emergencies. It can take some time and may require facing up to some financial realities, and it is very worth it. The third one is defining financial objectives. It helps to identify goals and develop a better plan to achieve financial goals. The fourth one is assets and liabilities management. Settling liabilities helps to own assets so that it do not become a burden in the near future. The last one is measuring goals progress. Setting up quantifiable goal can improve discipline towards preserving within set targets. Now, let's discuss the current issue, which is the COVID-19. COVID-19 has changed the global landscape, affecting our financial, professional, and social environments. Sudden disruptions caused by the public health crisis are presenting economic challenges with growing repercussions. Almost everyone was affected, and it will continue to affect household finances for years to come. This has forced people to acknowledge financial literacy as essential survival skill. Next is statistical information. 12% of people are planning to retire early. 55% are competitive how to achieve financial independence, and 73% is the most frequent approach for early retirement among the Malaysians. Here you can see the graph, and it is stated that more than 30% of all Malaysians currently live paycheck to paycheck.
The purpose of financial planning. Insurance planning is a critical component of a comprehensive financial plan that includes evaluating risks and determining the proper insurance coverage to mitigate those risks. The principal of goal of insurance planning is to identify and analyze risk factors in life and seek proper coverage to attain peace of mind if disaster strikes. The chances of recovering partly or fully are assured by having insurance. Therefore, insurance is an economic device transferring risk from an individual to a company and reducing the uncertainty of risk via pooling. Carrying insurance is crucial, but the most important aspect is carrying the Carrying the appropriate type of insurance. Each person have different insurance need to type his or her unique situation. Age, health, family structure, economic status, possessions, assets, and many other factors. There are several forms of insurance, and there is no one size fits all. This is why we need the insurance planning. Thank you. Importance of insurance planning. Almost everyone will agree that they will have greater peace of mind realizing their families are financially secure from a variety of unpredicted circumstances. Ambiguities in life could occur at any moment, for example, an unfortunate death or a medical emergency. These conditions also include an accident or damage to your vehicle and other properties. Having the financial influence of these situations can cost you a lot of your pocket money. You may need to take some of your savings on your family's hard-earned money. Therefore, there is a critical need of insurance for you and your family meant for appropriate coverage and financial support opposed to all risks linked to your life, health, and property. Why insurance is important? Insurance plans are useful for anyone looking to care for their family assets, properties, and themselves from financial failures. Insurance plans will help pay for medical emergencies, hospital bills, reduction of any disease, and medical care required soon. Financial losses to the family that must face unfortunate death of the sole earner can be protected by insurance plans. Those families can also pay off any form of debts, such as loans or debts which the person insured may have incurred in their lifetime. Next, insurance plan will assist families sustain their requirement of living in case the head of the family is not around in the future. This will help cover the cost of running the household through the insurance lump sum payout. The insurance money will give the family some breathing space along with coverage for all expenses in case of death, accident, and medical emergency. Insurance plans will also protect their future children's education. Insurance take care of the children financially and securing their dreams and ambition without any compromises. After that, several insurance plans can come through savings and investment plans along with standard coverage. This can benefit in building savings for the future because of ordinary investment. Insurance also helps protect your house in the occurrence of any unforeseen catastrophe or loss. The home insurance plan can guarantee you to obtain coverage for damages to your home and compensate for the cost of repairs. If you have coverage for valuables and properties inside the house, purchasing replacement items with the insurance money is not a problem. Thank you.
My name is Aiman Wafiq and I'll be talking about the current issue of insurance planning. The fight against COVID-19 is far from done and there will be almost certainly a period of uncertainty, possibly indefinitely. Is this going to hurt the insurance industry prospect in 2022? Despite persisting COVID-19 concerns, insurers forecast that be more rapid growth next year. According to our research, non-pandemic problems like legislation, talent sustainability, and changing consumer preference may provide speed bumps. How well insurance manage their investment in people and emerging technologies will determine a lot. Flexible work arrangement, balancing automation with the need to keep a human connection with clients and being more proactive in building stakeholders' trust should be all strategic priority for the industry. Despite ongoing concerns over COVID-19 variations, most insurance anticipate a faster economic recovery and increased investment in digital technologies in 2022. Insurers face a variety of issues ranging from economic hurdles such as possibility of persistent inflation to sustainability concerns such as climate risk, diversity, and financial inclusion, as well as quickly changing consumer product and purchasing preferences. Carriers are attempting to develop a flexible return to office policies while also trying to retain a recruit high level personnel in very competitive labor market, particularly for those with advanced technology and data analytic skills. Insurers are becoming more reliant on emerging technologies and data sources to increase efficiency, improve cybersecurity, and expand capabilities across the board. Most should, however, concentrate on improving the customer experience by automating procedures and delivering personalized service where it is needed and requested. Information of insurance planning. According to the latest March Mercer Benefits (MMB) health trend study, Malaysian medical rate is predicted to rise 11.6% in 2022, higher than the Asia average, which is 10%. At the same time, insurers are beginning to tighten limitations, risk deductibles, and risk program costs in response of escalating claims activity. This is a long-term trend that will have an immediate impact on the economics and sustainability of existing insurance and benefit plans for companies. Member of a life insurance association in Malaysia, LIAM, had a better overall performance in 2021, better than 2020, with a double-digit increase of 12.4% in the new business total premiums. There is a statement stated that the stronger performance reflected the increase in awareness among the consumer on the importance of life insurance protection amid COVID-19 pandemic. Despite the adverse economic environment caused by the pandemic, Liam President Loh Guat Lan said the industry had a better year thanks to the robust return in investment-linked policies, which grew 31.2%, which is RM6.6 billion in 2021. Traditional life insurance is no longer the primary business of many life insurance companies. Annuity underwriting has played a central role, accounting for 48% of all annuity direct premiums issued in 2022. Annuities are a contract that allow you to save money while also providing a predictable or variable income stream. An income stream could run for a set of period of time or the whole life of the contract holder or receivers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nazia binti Abdul Hisham and I am going to present about the recommendation. Managing personal financial statement and budgeting. Firstly, the point is devise a budget. This can be said to be essential to living. When setting up a budget, think truly about your priorities and goals when figuring out how much you would like to spend. Even if you are not spending in excess of your income, cutting down on impulse or excessive spending may help you grow your savings since it is an important part of financial planning. Next, create an emergency fund. Why is it important? Firstly, it can cover emergencies and even give you flexibility. Saving money might sound restrictive, but an emergency fund can actually give you more financial freedom. It allows you to make decisions without worrying about being limited by your finance. You can also avoid taking on debt. Last but not least, use credit card wisely. Credit cards can be said to be major debt traps, but it is unrealistic not to own any in the contemporary world. Credit just needs to be managed correctly, which means that you need to pay off your full balance every month or at least keep your credit utilization ratio at minimum. Next, we have about insurance planning. Firstly, life insurance. Firstly, it is about life insurance. What is life insurance? It is an insurance coverage that pays out a certain amount of money to the insured or policyholder or his specified beneficiaries upon a certain event such as death of the individual who is insured. Insurance that cover the life of a person are also called assurance. The next point is general insurance. It insures us against losses and damages other than those who are offered by life insurance. For example, this insurance cover property loss such as stolen car or burned house, liability arising from damage caused by yourself to a third party, and accidental death or injury. Last but not least, Islamic insurance or takaful. Takaful is a type of Islamic insurance wherein members contribute money into a pool system to guarantee each other against loss or damage. This based on Sharia or Islamic religious law. One unique feature of takaful is that it is the sharing of surplus of the fund between policyholders, and the takaful operation based on the pre-agreement ratio. Alright, in conclusion, deciding the right source of finance is a crucial business decision taken by top-level finance managers. The wrong source of finance increases the cost of funds, which in turn would have a direct impact on the possibility of the project under concern. Improper match of type of capital with business requirements may go against the smooth functioning of the business. COVID-19 is now making the Malaysian financial fortunes into disarray. In this kind of disease, knowing how best to spend, how to save and invest money is the best and the most important way to survive in this pandemic. The pandemic is forcing people to acknowledge that financial literacy is essential survival skill, without which hardship come, especially when crisis strikes, whether global or personal. Insurance plans are beneficial to anyone looking to protect their family, assets and themselves from financial risk. Insurance plans will help you pay for medical emergencies, hospitalization, contraction of any illnesses, and treatment and medical care required in the future. Thank you very much.